select a command.
Why does it tell you that? How to use microbots. Oh, look at that. He made the jump. Aw, he's just like, it's okay. I'll forever be part of this team. Wow. Dead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what? Whoa, they're pushing you to them!
No, I went with him.
Oh, they look like they're just trying to get you killed. Oh, nice. You already need to come back. Still learning. Hammer. Hammer. I don't even think you have to press this. I think you just... Oh, no. You don't think to use the hammer 3 times, dummy? Like, you don't need it?
There's too many damn bots. Get out of this damn way! Then you guys pull off booties. I will fill up.
Enter. Oh, nice, you broke out. Ooh.
Hey, check this out. Another wrench.
Thanks for telling that to me, the gamer. Ratchet.
I think you get a new wrench every time you get a new armor so it can match.
That's not true.
Really?
Yeah.
Because the blue match with the blue armor.
Well, yeah, I guess it's expecting you to already have gotten the armor.
Yeah.
But I don't think I've ever been able to save that much right away for that part. Because I bought the bouncer or something and I was broke. Let's see that bouncer together.
Oh, I'm saying something. Watch me hate the way he shoots. Ah! Yo, you guys didn't no chill!
Alright.
You guys act like this is so.
But yeah, they're on fire. Whoa! What are you doing? No, I'm just kidding. You have like 1,000,000 health.
1,000,001?
You can't do that.
Oh yes, I don't have anybody. East Coast.
Wow, you played yourself.
What?
Don't be on the edge like that.
I guess I can't back.
You can't do a backflip and then still jump off. Whoa, so close. Nice.
Give me all that. Give me.
Oh yeah.
So, did you run into your little friend out there?
I do not know what you mean.
Ooh, give him a look. Yuck. Yuck.
No, thanks.
Well, before you have to go for your ship. It's in a shield. I think there's 2 different paths you can eventually take. Like you can go to 2 different things.
Well, this one has to be a show.
Yeah, so go to it. You can go the other way. Maybe. Whoa.
My very
Killing
first
it.
try.
Yeah, so you gotta be careful with the rising lava. Why not? I'm just saying you have to, because you get caught, you're dead. You're super dead. You're not leaving yet. What? What does that even mean? What are you trying to say? Oh, nanotech. You can just call it a different name than what it is. Don't get hit by these or you'll die. So you wait literally until they start shooting out.
No!
You knew the risks associated with the thing you did. Look at you, you don't even care! Yo! That was pretty good. See, look at this. Now you're freaking speedrunning. Go.
Are you doing your shit? That was like one epic shit right there.
Alright, let's see where you go.
We got an episode with Peter bought that little bottle.
Yeah,
It was,
yeah,
and
because,
we just kept puking.
yeah.
Lawrence!
Just returned from a megacorp distribution center.
She's in the movie.
I think I found the
How do
answer
you
to.
know?
You don't see this trailers as a female wombat.
Does she look like that though?
Obviously, a little bit better.
Who's that?
Meow.
Aw. Wait a minute. What are you doing here? Sending a message to your little pals, huh? Well, say goodbye,
Now
boys.
watch the Ratchet and Clank trailer.
Take her to headquarters.
Yeah, but I don't remember. Yeah, they got
Whoa.
nefarious.
Did you see that?
I wonder if it'll
Yes,
make sense.
Angela knows how to defeat the protopet.
And
And she does a terrible cat impression.
we have to rescue her from the thugs.
Agreed. We need that answer.
And we have to protect her.
Okay. I will upload the coordinates.
That epic stare down you do.
The thug fleet Clinic Born. Yeah, we're getting there. But, yeah, you can. Right there.
It's no boss fight. You know, a big open area like this in any other game would have meant boss fight.
Yeah. I wonder where this leads. Oh, it's another one of these. Go. Hua, hua. Stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. What'd I just tell you? Oh, our boy!
Hey, I know those pants.
Consarn it! Here's the problem.
Excuse us, sir. What are you doing here? In this galaxy?
I can't control where things break. I just fix them.
Surely someone in this galaxy can...
Shh! I know that, but they don't. I get triple time and travel expenses.
Ew. What's that?
Some dead-burned fool flushed this perfectly good quark action figure. Sure, it's a little ripe, but look at that craftsmanship. You want to buy it?
Yes. Yes. We need that. It's so important.
There you go, pal. See you in another year or so.
What did he mean by that?
Haha, he
I only
means
bought it
sequel.
because for what's her face?
What?
What's her face?
I don't know what that
That thing if you get paid, she gets
Who?
the exercise lady.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, where's she been at?
I don't know. I think she's gonna show up.
Oh, okay, you haven't run into her yet. That's probably a good thing we bought that then.
I'm not too sure. I remember doing something like that. I want that gun so bad.
Words cannot describe the devastating force of the Zodiac. That's pretty decent too, but
Where's all these hot weapons coming from? You know, I honestly think with all the weapons I have, not including the bouncer and the plasma coil and the hover bomb and the Zodiac and the shield charger, I think I can do that impossible challenge.
you know without those. Well, you could do it without the Zodiac, but you need some stronger weapons because you'll run out of the mini rocket quickly. Wait, go to the Silver City first. You want to do that,
Explore Silver City.
that quick, rail.
I don't wanna. I wanna go to school.
You going to?
No, I don't wanna.
Planet Boldon. Bolden. Planet Bolden. You know what, too? Since we're gonna end this part here, I think that... Go straight up.
Oh, you told me we're gonna end the pod.
No. After we end this part, which is gonna be up soon, next time we record, we're gonna record the Inside Map Museum.
Do we get bolts?
What?
Do we get bolts?
I mean, you get bolts.
Do we get bolts?
For what?
Do we just jump on?
Yeah. For real, doggy. Just watch out wherever those two are. You don't want to be there. You'll get hurt. You don't want to get hurt.
We're both on both sides, so I'm scared to jump.
Yeah, no, good excuse. I believe it totally.
What?
Wow.
What?
You are becoming the master. I used to think when Coco played games, he would always find all the glitches, but I'm starting to believe it's you now.
Like, I don't understand how that's possible. I land directly on it. This game pisses me off, man. It really grinds my gears.
Whatever, one shot or hell.
Question mark?
Big deal.
What?
Dude, jump over that thing.
What is this? Like, Red City?
It's
This
just
game's
you
been-
sucking right now, that's all.
You've been sucking all day.
You've been sucking all day.
Whoa. That was very disrespectful. You need to freaking... Oh,
That doesn't make sense. You're lucky that you survived this. Look at that, you still get hit! Push the button. Push the button.
I'm already pissed off.
Ooh. The mods are back. Back. Who even cares about the lock-on?
It's a Macula lock-on mod.
No, but you have to hold the button, like R2 and L2 to lock on. It doesn't automatically lock on.
You suck then.
Acid mod would be pretty good. What's the other one? Oh, lock on. Ooh, shock mod for that gun? For the Seeker?
Do it? Yeah,
No,
so
you don't have to. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. You don't. Do whatever you want.
I can always come find him again.
Yeah. I think you can just teleport to him now. Nice. Alright, on the next part, we will go to the Inside Map Museum.